Do you feel like you're constantly tired no matter how much sleep you get? You're not alone. In fact, fatigue affects millions of people. Many people struggle with fatigue on a daily basis, but the good news is that there are solutions to help you overcome this problem. In this video, we'll explore the main reasons why you might be tired all the time and provide you with actionable tips to help you end your exhaustion for good. Our comprehensive guide is designed to help you get to the root of your tiredness, so you can start feeling energized and productive again. With practical advice and expert insights, you'll be on your way to a happier, more rejuvenated lifestyle in no time. The reason why you may be tired could be due to a variety of factors such as poor sleep, nutritional deficiencies, or even a lack of physical activity. Firstly, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your body to fully recover. Secondly, consider making some changes to your diet. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean protein to ensure you're getting all the essential vitamins and nutrients that your body needs. Additionally, try to incorporate some exercise into your daily routine. Exercise is not only good for your physical health, but it can also help to reduce stress levels and increase energy levels. Lastly, it's important to take breaks throughout the day to give your body a chance to rest. This could be as simple as taking a short walk or practicing some relaxation techniques. By following these tips, you'll be able to put an end to your tiredness and feel more energized throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.